Welcome to our channel. If your YouTube Music Recap 2023 isn't showing up, don't worry. We've got some simple solutions to help you get it working. 1. Check if you're logged into the right account. Step 1. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account where you use YouTube Music. Step 2. Open the YouTube Music app or website and double-check that you're signed into the account where you've been listening. 2. Make sure you've used YouTube Music enough in 2023. Step 1. YouTube Music typically requires you to listen to a significant amount of music throughout the year. If you haven't been active enough, the recap might not appear. Step 2. Check your listening activity by going to the library and viewing your playlists or your listening history to confirm you've been active. 3. Update the YouTube Music app. Step 1. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Step 2. Search for YouTube Music and check if an update is available. Step 3. Install the update and check if the recap feature appears after restarting the app. 4. Clear cache and data for Android users. Step 1. Open settings on your Android device. Step 2. Go to Apps, YouTube Music Storage. Step 3. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data, then restart the app. 5. Wait for YouTube Music to roll out the feature. If none of the above steps work, the recap feature may not have rolled out to your account yet. YouTube typically releases these features in stages. Step 1. Be patient and check back in a few days. Step 2. Keep an eye on YouTube Music's social media channels or blog for updates about when the 2023 recap will be available. 6. Check the YouTube Music website. If you're not seeing the recap in the app, try accessing it from the YouTube Music website. Step 1. Go to https://music.youtube.com on your browser. Step 2. Look for any recap banners or notifications on the homepage or in the library section. By following these steps, you should be able to get your YouTube Music Recap 2023 to show up. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.